Hello, good morning. How are you? I feel happy. All right, I want you to do 3 things. I think you already know. Please open your English notebook and write today is, what day is today? Please write today is in your notebook. Number 2, please write the weather is. What's the weather like outside? If you don't know, go look out the window. The weather is. Number 3, please write I feel. How do you feel today? I feel happy. Please write how you feel. After that, I have a new worksheet for you to complete. It's about Sally's day. You'll need to write some information about her daily routine. Then you'll do a slideshow presentation. We are talking about question words. Do you remember the question words worksheet from last week? This slideshow will help you understand question words. That's it for today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.